how you can select external mic on Discord app using iPhone. So first thing first, let's open the Discord app, and once you open it, you will be able to see the interface shown in the screen. So now you can see there is Alice at the left side, which is basically a mic group. So you can see there is a lobby and gaming at the voice channel section, so you can select any of it. So let me tap on the lobby for now, and once you tap on it, you can see there is a lobby section at the top left corner of this bottom section on in the screen. So just tap on that lobby, and once you tap on it, you can see there is voice settings. So just go to the voice settings, and afterward you need to select the input, and yeah, you will be able to select external mic on iPhone successfully. So basically this is how, and this is the process to select external mic on Discord app using iPhone. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.